Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Lenovo Legion R24e 23.8-inch gaming monitor, a compact display built for fast, competitive play. Right away, the 23.8-inch Full HD IPS panel delivers sharp visuals and vibrant color with 99% sRGB coverage. The near-edgeless design makes it feel immersive, especially in shooters and racing games where every detail matters. Performance is where this monitor really shines. With a 180 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-fast 0.5 milliseconds response time, gameplay feels incredibly smooth and responsive. Paired with AMD FreeSync, screen tearing and stutter are kept to a minimum, giving you a clean, fluid experience during intense matches. Comfort is another strong point. It's designed with eye care features that reduce blue light without washing out colors, making long gaming sessions easier on your eyes. The adjustable stand lets you tilt, swivel, lift, and even pivot, so dialing in the perfect setup is simple. Overall, the Lenovo Legion R24e delivers speed, smooth visuals, and flexible ergonomics in a sleek package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.